Good evening, whānau. This is Reo Waitakahu here, and just giving you a little bit of an update on the progression of my bara. So anyway, it's been chilly as makatino makariri. So there's my tāpapa. It's all ready. And on this side, so let me go through the fence. I've got 2 beds ready to plant out. These ones are coming to an end, collecting a bit of seeds off there, tidy that up a little bit, but those are ready to plant out. My tāpapa's ready to plant out, so I've got my stored kumara to do that. And I've got some stored potatoes that I'll probably put in just in the side here, and I have a little walkway down here because I want to keep that clear for the sun to shine. The idea being is I'm wanting to get this warmer than what it is, but at the moment it's cold. So all of the green waste, I first started by putting it inside the worm farm and then around the trees. So I'm feeding my worms, they'll produce worm juice and it comes back. But just tidying up around the beds. I've done a few things, bit of weeding. It's looking awesome, man. These are the best brassicas I've grown for ages. So I've used worm juice, comfrey, and I've got seaweed and banana in that thing, container there, full of water. And actually I just show you it. And so for the last little while, last couple of weeks, and that is I'll be fertilising. And so I am now that these are coming along quite well and I'm tidied up, I'm going to be doing this every week and fertilising my brassicas. And as I plant out my garden, I'll start doing the gaps, putting in the beds, and then as these fruit off, either we'll eat or we'll give away to the local whatakai here in Kaikohe, just to support out in the whānau, because then I'll plant in others in there. So anyway, this is really just a quick update on what the mara looks like after doing a bit of work. Last big project here, other than finishing the fence off down the other side, is I've got to mulch all this up, which over here is I took all my compost that was piled there, tipped it over to here. So this is actually all of that lovely stuff. If I had chickens now, I'd let them run through that and they'd eat up all the seeds and bugs and stuff from that. Keep tilling it over and then it'll become nice composty manure. But we don't have chickens, so I'll mulch up all these trees into that pile there, and then it eventually breaks down. But there's my my compost that we make. Added to that is my worm farms, and I've now got 20 worm farm systems, worm casting systems in the shed and in here, and they just give me extra worm castings to lay out on my garden or when I'm planting. Yeah, so these had a really good feed, pruned back the trees, these ones here, probably do a little bit more so I can reach, and then they'll, over summertime, the foliage will come up and provide shelter underneath. Anyway, that's what the garden looks like. Some of my cabbages and broccoli and cauliflower are all under here, and rhododendrons are starting to come through. Hoi anō, mihi atu kia koutou, tēnā koutou katoa, kia ora.